Hi everyone, welcome back to JemmaCooking. Let us turn into small pieces. Wash. Drain the water. Cut cucumber. Shredded carrot. Apple dinner creation. Slicing. Cut into small pieces. Cut into pieces. Frying. And the nuts. And bacon. And pitaya. And apple. Cheese powder. Salad with different ingredients, multi-layered taste and rich flavor. The salad can also be delicious, and your favorite salad dressing if you like. Please try and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in a comment. Follow my channel to watch a video at first time. See you soon.